You can see here include one instruction booklet and this built-in torch. It has three triple flame here. And later I will show you how to use it. One ice holder. You can use this ice holder to catch the ice stone. Also, there are 4 ice stones here. This ice stone is made by granite. Okay, and we also have stainless steel ice stones, the whiskey stones. There are six wood chips. You can see the flavors is really popular. Here are pecan. This one is pecan wood chip, and this one apple, this one oak, this one cherry, and this one peach and pear. Okay. And if you have your own design of the sticker, you also send us the feel. We can do it for you. And this kit will also include one wooden smoker, like this one and this one. Here are just 2 models I show you. Actually, we have many different models of the cocktail smoker, the wooden smoker. So if you have any models you want, just send us a picture. Okay, and also 1 spoon and a cleaning brush, and a metal spoon here.